Welcome back, guys, to my channel, Julia Beauty and Style. I know you're gonna love this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bantu knot hairstyle is an old traditional hair style. Yeah, but back in the days they don't call it Bantu knot. That is during the 80s, 70s, 60s, 40s. Yeah, they don't actually call it Bantu knot. There's a traditional name for it. Yeah, most people kind of like tag this style, the Zulu people and the southern part of Africa kind of style. But in the west part of Africa, a lot of our mothers in the back in the 70s, 60s, 50s, they actually wear this style a lot, like that of the Yorubas in the west part of Nigeria, and also that of the eastern part of Nigeria. So a lot of our people back then kind of like wear this style. But now in the 21st century, our stylists have really come up with different ways to kind of modernize it. We like to modernize it, like making it look different from its old traditional way. Like this video you see right now, you can see the heart shape she's trying to like create on this hair, and she did not add extension. Why? Because the clients have a lot of hair. She has a lot of volume. So if your hair is not your hair doesn't have much volume like the lady here, so you can add extensions to yours. Yeah, you can add extension, there's nothing wrong with that. And with the help of braiding gel, you kind of like put the hair in place. Then the edges, that is what makes it looks more beautiful and far different from the way it usually was in the past. Basically, Bantu knot is a traditional African hairstyle that has been around for more than 100 years. Like I said, during the 50s, 40s, these styles have been around for more than 100 years. So it usually look like this. This is even much better than the way it was in the 50s. But this time there are different ways you can have the taper cut and also wear the Bantu hairstyle. And if your hair is you have a fine hair, you can also wear the Bantu. You can still also make the Bantu hairstyle. But if you want it the knot to be a bit bigger, like I said previously, you add extension to it. And also you can cornrow in between your Bantu knots, or you can cornrow the side of your Bantu knot to make it look like patewo. And even white ladies with type 1 and type 2 hair can also wear the Bantu hairstyle. Yes, Bantu styles doesn't really is not choosing when it comes to hair texture. Fine, is much more perfect on type 4 hair texture compared to type 1 hair texture. But if you have this extremely straight and silky hair, you can also rock Bantu hairstyle. So back in the days before the style became the central agreement among those condemning cultural appreciation, celebrities like Rihanna also make this style. Like I have a pictures of Rihanna that I featured in this video in the previous slide. Yeah, Rihanna also made this style. I can remember way back like 10 years ago when I had this Bantu knot. So I had a friend that kind of like mocked me, like, why am I making this old lady style? I was like, what do you mean? So like 10 years ago, people were not like making this style, but of recent, like this style started coming in vogue like 2018, 19, 20. It's more of it was 2020, 2021. That is when a lot of stylists, lot of celebrities start making this style. So now those people kind of like mocking it that is an old-fashioned hairstyle. They all now really want to like make the Bantu hair knot. So there are different ways you can style it to make it look like the Funale style. Add some cowries to it, like what you see right now. You can do the love shape, you can do the square shape like what you see right now, and add some accessories, beads, cowries to it, like exactly this one you see. There are different ways you can wear this style to make it different. And also you can do the cornrow, like exactly what you're seeing now. You can use different color of extension to do your Bantu knot. Yes, it's not choosing when it has to do with extension. And you can use your natural hair if you feel like your hair if you feel like your hair have enough volumes to kind of bring out the knots. Yes, you can do that. You can even use coily extensions to the Bantu knot. Like I have a video where I featured someone used what's it called like Ankara to do the Bantu knot. So there are different ways you can style your bantu knot to make it look beautiful and also stand out. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Welcome back guys, and I hope you find something you love about this video. If you know you love this video, how about you give it a thumbs up? Yes, I need a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. So what do I do in Julia Beauty and Style channel? So I do a whole lot of stuff in this channel. So I do product reviews. So depending on the product review, I do also hair product review, skincare product review. Yes, I do a whole lot of that, and I have playlists for that, so you can check out my playlist. So you're gonna see my skincare product review and also my hair product review to grow your hair. And I also have videos on how I was able to grow my hair, because I chopped off my hair like a year back now, and I was growing it back, so my hair have really grown. So you can check out updates of my hair growth challenge so far. Yeah, hair growth check so far. And also I do compiling videos on how to slay your braids, different braids, hairstyle. Yeah, our braids these days are so beautiful. Like, far gone are those days that where you say, okay, braids is just one style. Another thing I also find out that knot braids is gradually going out of fashion. So out of 10 ladies wearing braids, you find out that just only one that may be wearing like a knot braid. So majority of the ladies end up wearing more of the knotless braids. So the knot braids is kind of going out of fashion. I can understand why, because if you have the knotless braids, kind of like make the hair scanty, beautiful and simple. But when you wear the knot braids, so it kind of make your hair like looking so much on your scalp. Yeah, so and sometimes build up can easily store at the base of a knot braid compared to knotless braids. So maybe that's why people are kind of switching more to knotless braids. And also I have compilation of salt and pepper hairstyle in this video, in all my compilation videos, so you can check them out. So if you are mature divas, that you have your salt and pepper hair color, your gray hair, beautiful gray hair color, and you kind of like dialing it, you don't want people to know that you're getting older, please dialing your hair is not wrong. But if you wish to like slay your salt and pepper hair, so I have video for you. Check out my playlist for such video and you will definitely be inspired. Yes. And I also have compilation of short hair. Like if you want to cut your hair, sometimes you may be wearing your long hair and you get tired and you kind of like wear one particular face, have one particular face. So if you want to like change to look different from what you usually look like, you can opt for low cut. I have that. And also you can opt for taper cut hairstyle. I also have that in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget these videos are for educational purpose, is to give you styles ideas for you to rock the special occasion. I will see you in my next video. Bye.